Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play Slipper Fantasy Basketball. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Slipper app, and once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, in order to play Slipper Fantasy Basketball, what you need to do is tap on this three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and once you do that, you'll be seeing this menu option. Now what you need to do is simply tap on this plus icon in order to play it, and once you tap on that, here you'll be able to choose your game. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the fantasy basketball option. Now once you tap on the fantasy basketball option, here all the fantasy basketball channels will be displayed right here. Now all you gotta do is just simply select one of these, and once you do that, here you will be given the option to join the league. All you gotta do is simply tap on that join league option, and once you do that, go back to your home screen and then simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner once again, and then the selected channel or the league will be shown right here. All you gotta do now is just simply select the Slipper Basketball League right here, and then you will be able to see the draft board, and then you can browse between the teams, the league, and you can invite your friends to play as well, and you can see the draft board as well. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.